it literally was like one jam-packed full day of like zooming in and zooming out on the business. I would say in the areas that I didn't feel so confident in, I'm now more aware of those pieces that I might have been ignoring or not spending as much time on. So just bringing that to light and bringing that to the surface helped me confront, the marketing pieces of the strategic partnerships, which I haven't had time to do or really put my energy into.
God, I got so much out of it. Just the fact of that Google sheet and the strategic plan and like strategic alliances is probably what I got the most out of it because one of my biggest strengths is creating connection. To do a whole P&L like that and to put my goals and actions down and then actually like I looked at it before I got on the call. I'm like, okay, I'm going to ask these people for testimonials. Okay, how am I going to do this? Even taking the leap to hire Tanita because I was sick of doing it myself.
It's put a little fear of God in me because there is a lot to being an entrepreneur, but it also shows me, it gives me a roadmap. It gives me a way to actually work through processes to get myself to the next step. And, it kind of put a little fire under me to start imagining the potential as well of being a business owner. So that's what I just think it's amazing.
So just being able to have time allotted in one whole day to really look at your whole business, like I couldn't ask for anything more. So I have my plan from January all the way to December and my financials, which was like scary, but then it was so empowering and exciting to see those numbers. And it's like, whoa, like I could do this if I stick to what I was taught here today. I can do this and you can too.